Have you ever wondered why some people can just eat whatever they want and stay slim? Or why, maybe for you, just looking at a dessert menu seems to pile on those extra pounds? It turns out, there's way more to weight loss than just dieting and exercise. In fact, it all has to do with our genetics. How exactly does DNA influence weight loss, you may ask? And how can understanding this help us to develop a more body-positive, targeted, and effective weight loss program? Our DNA determines everything about how our minds and bodies respond to our environment, such as our body shape, fat distribution, response to exercise, absorption of nutrients, and even our ability to keep the weight off after a successful dieting program. Studies have demonstrated that people's variations with these specific genes typically have a harder time losing weight than those that don't express this genomic combination. Let's take a look. Despite following a similar diet and exercise schedule, some individuals lose less weight on average and were also more likely to regain the lost weight after completing their diet. All carbohydrates are converted into glucose or sugar in the body. This means that eating carbs triggers the release of insulin in order to help the body break down and absorb any glucose that enters into the bloodstream. Too much insulin encourages fat storage and can lead to conditions such as diabetes and obesity. Who hasn't heard about the dreaded carbs? As it turns out, not everyone reacts to carbohydrates the same. This is due to the impact of the IRS1 gene, which plays a major role in combating insulin resistance. People's variations of this gene determine whether they're able to lose or gain significant weight while still eating a high-carb diet. Cardio holds a reputation as the holy grail of weight loss, but your genes can play a significant role in how much weight you can lose from doing it. According to recent studies, people's different expressions of the ADRB2 and LPL genes determine whether they lose more weight than others. However, all participants did experience positive results. Researchers have discovered that individuals with the MTHFR gene were more efficient in the absorption of vitamin B9 or folate from food. People with certain variations of this gene may feel low energy throughout the day and may need to supplement with methylated B vitamins. In research, these genes have all been demonstrated to play a role in how a person absorbs a high-fat diet. In some circumstances, gene expression enables individuals to consume a high-fat diet without any noticeable change to their BMI. On the other hand, alternative expressions of these genes resulted in larger waist sizes, a high BMI, and more body fat gain. Despite how counterintuitive this may sound, strength training and weightlifting can have profound impacts on the amount of body fat a person has. People with a favorable expression of the above phenotype experience a leaner physique and a higher number of calories burnt when compared to others without the expression. Finally, the FTO gene expression has been demonstrated to impact a person's overall body fat mass and BMI. Individuals with this positive phenotype lose more torso fat when combining exercise with a moderate to high protein diet, regardless of the amount of carbs or fats they eat. There are a million guides, fad diets, and exercise routines out there, all promising results regardless of who you are. But the truth is, without understanding your genetic makeup, you could be fighting a hopeless weight loss battle. With a conclusive DNA analysis by InsightGx, you can see the actual science behind why you can't seem to lose that excess weight. Our team analyzes your unique genetic profile to create a targeted, efficient, and personalized program just for you. Why do things the hard way when you can experience such uplifting results based on your own DNA? Visit our website at InsightGx.com and you can unlock the secrets to being the best you possible.